Meanwhile, the deceased constable had been stationed at the Mandeville police station for 5 years after being transferred from the Williamsfield police station. He spent some 22 years in the JCF. His colleagues are devastated.
The members have taken this one really, really hard. Constable Blair, who was assigned to the guard room / patrol section, he is very soft-spoken, a hard worker. You understand that recognize now that the mood, if you even go by the reception area, the mood of the staff is very, very, very low at this time. And I think they have taken it hard.
Now, this is just the latest in a series of cases of domestic violence in the parish. The police are concerned.
At this time, I'm just encouraging the staff at the station and general police just to, look at the domestic violence issue surrounding it. And, we need to treat this thing with strict alacrity, knowing very well it can be any one of us, So when we have issues like these, we need to just reach out and see how best we can have them resolved.